How to change file associations for MX Player. First, open the MX Player app on your phone. Now, tap on the Me or Profile option in the bottom right corner. Then open Settings. As you can see, there isn't a File Associations option available in the latest version of MX Player. This feature has been removed or no longer available in some versions of the app. If your goal is to make MX Player open your videos by default, you'll need to change the default app from your phone settings instead of inside MX Player. Simply open your phone settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps, or choose Default Apps. From there, look for your Screen to Show Video Player option if your device provides one, and select MX Player as the default app. Keep in mind that the available options may vary depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. Some devices don't allow you to choose a default video player for all file types. That's it! That's everything you need to know about changing file associations for MX Player. If you couldn't find this option in the app, that's completely normal on the latest versions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.